Hey everyone, welcome back! Moving can be one of the most stressful experiences, right? But today I'm here to tell you how Storage Solutions can simplify your move and make life a whole lot easier. First up, let's talk about planning. When you're in the midst of packing, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of stuff you've accumulated over the years. That's where Storage Solutions come into play. By renting a storage unit, you can declutter your home before the big move. This not only makes packing more manageable, but also helps you see what you really need to take with you. Next, storage units offer flexibility. Let's say your new place isn't ready yet, or there's a gap between your move-out and move-in dates. A storage unit can be a lifesaver. You can store your belongings safely until you're ready to move them into your new home. No more stressing about where to keep your stuff or making last-minute arrangements. Another advantage is security. Most storage facilities have top-notch security systems including surveillance cameras, gated access, and even on-site personnel. Your belongings are often safer in a storage unit than in your garage or basement. Plus, many facilities offer climate-controlled units, which are perfect for storing sensitive items like electronics, artwork, or important documents. Now let's talk about packing strategies. Using a storage unit allows you to pack at your own pace. Start with the items you don't use daily, like seasonal clothing or holiday decorations. Label your boxes clearly and create an inventory list. This way you'll know exactly what's in each box and where it's stored. Trust me, this will save you a ton of time and hassle when you start unpacking. For those of you with a busy schedule, some storage companies even offer pickup and delivery services. They'll come to your home, load your items, and transport them to the storage facility. When you're ready to move in, they'll deliver everything to your new place. It's like having a moving company and storage solution all in one. Lastly, don't forget about cost effectiveness. Renting a storage unit can be cheaper than you think. Plus, the peace of mind and convenience it offers are well worth the investment. Many facilities offer different sizes and rental terms to fit your budget and needs. So there you have it. Storage Solutions can truly simplify your move, reduce stress, and give you the flexibility and security you need. If you're planning a move soon, consider renting a storage unit. You'll thank yourself later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making your life easier. Catch you in the next video.